guys, game 1. We're back again here at Palma Real. So start of game 1, it's Team Blue kicks out against Team Brown. Jump ball. Nice. Good for 2 by Dolatre. Rebound ng Team Blue. Macasero. Pass to Obi. Obi, a long 3. No good. Rebound ng Brown. Silva. Natawid na po ni Silva. Salcedo, pinasa kay Silva, catch and shoot. Same ball possession po, bola ng Blue. Daiji, catch and shoot. Inbound to Salcedo. Long 3. Nice 3 points. With number 41. Macasero. High post move. Pushing foul. Number 41. Sige pre. Almenanza. Pull up jumper. Good for 2. Salcedo, pinupuwersa. Pinasa po kay Figueroa. Pass to Obi. Messi move. Good layup move by Obi. Score po ay 3-point lead. 8-5. Lamang ang Blue ng 3. Ricky. Fake. Ganda sana. Rebound by Dolatre. Pass to Macasero. Offensive foul ang tinawag ni ref. Medyo napalakas po ang balya ni Macasero. Medyo napasumabagsak ni Figueroa. Salcedo down sa transition. No good. Okay, rebound ng Blue. Dolatre. Easy 2 by Dolatre. Nice assist by Obi Almenanza. Alidon, naitawid ang bola. Silva. Pass to Alidon. Back to Silva. Catch and shoot. Rebound ni Macasero. Almenanza. Binalik sa labas. Pero napasa kay Salcedo. Silva, pump fake. Binalik kay Salcedo. To Alidon. Long 3. Pasok! Pasok! Almenanza, pinasa kay Macasero. Drop pass to Daiji. Almost 2-point. Pero sablay. Salcedo. Pinuwersa. Pasok. Lakas ng upper body. Almenanza na itawid. Passerelle substitution, so mandatory sub. Pero since kulang ang parehong team, hindi po lalabas ang buong 5. Medyo magpapalitan lang sila. Si Samson po ng Team Brown is medyo late dumating. So sa second substitution po siya dadating ngayon or papasok. And ang score po guys ay all 10. Bola ng Brown. So guys, ang nilabas is si Macasero tsaka si Luna. Alidon. Rebound ng Blue. Nagkahiyaan. Almenanza. Rebound ni Ian to Alidon. Back to Ian. In-hour move, Sablay. Replicate po. Ian. Ian. Second attempt by Mr. Samson. Pasok. Good for 2. Lamang na po ang Brown, 11-10. Oh, rebound by Dulatre. To Fajardo. Teardrop, Sablay. Rebound ni Silva. Samson in transition. Oh, nice move. Samson, 10 to shoot. Wow, nice pass. Ganda, ang ganda. So Fajardo. Oh, rebound niya pa rin. Fajardo, medyo napalakas ang hagis. Samson. Pinupuwersa si Fajardo. Pinasa kay number 16. Rebound by Old. So Samson, power move, sinolo lahat. Oh, rebound by Silva. Nice move. To Paul. Tapos. Two minutes left. 2 minutes 42 seconds. Lamang na po ng tatlo ang Brown. 13-10. Paul to Fajardo. Easy 2 by Fajardo. Ang ganda naman ang pasahan nila. Samson to Silva. Rep, adjust lang po rep. Salamat. Pumersa na number 16. Back to Alibon to Samson. Rebound ni Paul. OV in transition. Good for 2 by Almenanza. Limang na po ng isa. Rebound number 16. Travel ang tawag ni ref. First attempt. Second attempt by Dulatre. Good. Two out of 2 ang free throw ni Dulatre. Good for 2. Walang tawag si rep. OV. Grabe, di alintana, ang dami ng bantay. Power move. Nice defense by Paul. Seven seconds remaining. Lamang ng 3 ang blue. Tumira ng 3 si Ian. Lamang ng blue. And the first quarter guys, lamang ng 3 ang kicks out, Team Blue. 18-15. Start of second quarter guys. Lamang pa rin ng 3 ang kicks out, 18-15. Inbound. Inbound to Mr. Samson. Samson, good for 2. To Phil. Luna, balik kay Phil. To Daiji. Pull up. Rebound ni Macasero. Lakas. Foul po ang tawag kay number 6, Silva. Oh, lakas po ni Daiji sa rebound. Rebound by Daiji. 2 points by Daiji, number 11. Adjust po. Thank you. Sorry po. Inbound to Salcedo. Salcedo. Pull up, Sablay. Napasa kay Salcedo. Rebound niya pa rin. Sablay. Rebound niya pa din. Sablay pa din. Daming opportunities ng Team Brown. Makasero. Makasero. Pump fake. Rebound ni Samson. Pass break. Outlet pass to Salcedo. Good for 2. Time out. Called by Team Kicks Out, Team Blue. Lamang na lang po ng isa ang Kicks Out 2019. Back to the ball game, guys. 8 minutes remaining. Ang ganda naman ang cut ni Daiji. Nice pass from Beato. Pull up 3. Sablay. Medyo hindi po tumama. Kill to Makasero. Drop pass pero nahuli ng Team Brown. Rebound ni Samson. In transition, Tocajo. Figueroa, good for 2. Isa pa rin po ang lamang ng Blue. 22-21. Luna, Makasero. Euro step. Pasok. Sana nakita sa camera. Medyo naharangan na naman ni ref. Pasensya na, guys. Samson, crossover. Wow! Power move by Samson. Walang tawag si ref. Ang ganda nun. Tobiato, pass. Oh, what a block! Nasapal po si Luna. Makasero, pull up jumper. Sablay, rebound ni Salcedo. Ganda po ng pagkakasapal kay Luna. Sempong-sempo. Samson, power move. Number 30, Makasero, blocking foul. Parasahan na to, guys. Parasahan ng laro. Catch and shoot, Silva, Sablay. Medyo mababa po ang percentage ng pull-up jumper ni Silva. Tuluna. Nice! Medyo nag-alangan. Okay, guys, Pasarel substitution ulit. Pero since di naman sila kompletong 10, less than 5 pa rin ang lalabas. So yun na nga, guys, yan ang pinaka-disadvantage kapag kulang ang team nyo. May technical free throw na yung opposing team, and then mahirap pa yung game pag kulang. So technical free throw to be taken advantage by Mr. Obi. First attempt, good. Drew. Kajo, good for 3. What a shot by Mr. Figueroa. Naturalized player ng Asuryon. Almenanza crossover, snatch back, i-reset ang play. Pass to Luna. Ang ganda ng drop pass kay Luna. Ang ganda ng drop pass kay Luna, guys. So ang ganda ng paikot ng Team Blue ngayon. So galing assisted by Fajardo yon. Drop pass to Luna. Easy 2 points. The ball game, guys. So tatlo na po ang lamang ng kicks out. 29-26. May na-warningan po, guys. Oh, na-warningan po si Mr. Figueroa after niya ng deep 3 dahil gun sign po siya, gun sign. So binaril niya po yung mga kalaban niya. Wow, ang ganda naman ng drop pass kay Salcedo. Assisted by number 12. Almenanza na itawid. Tuluna to Dolatre. Rebound ni Fajardo. Small guys po nakaka-rebound sa kanila, mga small players. Pero ang lakas nila rebound. Long 3 by Almenanza. Rebound uli ni Fajardo. Ang ganda sana, lakas sa rebound. 2 consecutive offensive rebound, guys, by Fajardo. Alidon. Back to Samson. Pump fake. Euro step. Foul at out rep. Number 28 po. Ang foul si Luna. Second attempt, good. Ganda. Same ball possession, guys. Last touch ang Brown. 10 seconds to shoot. OV long 3. Rebound ni number 12. Samson. Alidon, grab pass, ilalim. Nice! Ang ganda ng tawag ni rep. Foul po si Mr. Luna. 22. Good for first attempt pala is pasok. Second attempt. Sablay. Rebound ng Almenanza. Grabe. Samson in transition. Good for 2. Outlet pass to Dolatre. Butata ang inabot. Grabe depensa ni Samson. Coast to coast siyang nagbaba. Siya rin ang bumaba para sa depensa. Nice offensive play by Ian. And nice defensive play. Pero foul ang tawag ni ref. Medyo napasama ang tama sa braso guys ni Coach Dolatre. Rebound by Salcedo. Alidon. Dingat, Sablay. Rebound po ni Okbol. Almenanza in transition. Easy 2. Time out on Team Brown guys. So 2 minutes 19 seconds. Match na match ang brown at blue. Ang score po ay all 32. Back to the ball game. Missed opportunity by Salcedo. Almenanza in transition. Luna. Easy 2. Wonderful assist by Almenanza. Easy 2 points by Luna. Medyo bumababa po ang percentage ng field goal ni Mr. Salcedo. At tinitake advantage na po yun ng blue. Lamang lang po ng dalawa ang blue. 34-32. Luna, catch and shoot. 3 points by Luna. Number 28. Lamang na po ng 5. Ang team kicks out. Alidon, catch and shoot. Bumawi pero mababa rin po ang percentage ng 3-point play. Ten to shoot. Almenanza kumagat sa screen. 3-point. Rebound ni Samson. In and out move. Nice steal. Nicely by Okbol to Alidon. Back to Samson. 40 seconds remaining. Short. Inbound to Almenanza. To shoot. 14 seconds remaining sa shot clock. 10 seconds remaining. Pull-up 3 by Almenanza. Sablay. Rebound ni Samson. Samson in transition. End of second quarter. Score po natin ay 37-32 in favor of kicks out. 37 kicks out, 32 Brown.